Okay, welcome back. So today in math, we are going to continue to do some multiplication. And today we're going to talk a lot more about getting better at our multiplication facts. And we're going to focus more on fours today. Yesterday we did some dividing with threes. And today we're going to focus on our fours. So I have an array up here that I drew, and we're going to count to 40 using this array, okay? And so as we get to each row, I'm going to write what number we're on. So we could look over here. We've got 4, and I go 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and I'm humming to help me count in my head as I'm skip counting by fours. 32, 36, 40. So all of these circles represent 40. And I was skip counting by fours. And I was using my humming to help me keep track in my head. So if I were to say the expression 4 times 4, I would look here and I would say, okay, 4 times 4. I need my fourth row of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 times 4 is 16. Or if I said 4 times 9, I know that I need the ninth row. So I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I look and I can tell that 9 times 4 equals 36. Or if I were to say 5 times 4, so 5 rows of 4, I could count to my fifth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can see the number I wrote down at the end of the fifth row is 20 because 5 times 4 equals 20. We have spent a lot of time talking about how to figure this out, and now we're going to start to get better at it and work on memorizing them. So I'm going to show you a tape diagram up here. Okay, so we look up here. These are all of my groups. That's a lot, right? And I have 10 groups. Okay. Now, I want us to put how many objects are in each group. So if we look at our tape diagram we just used had 4 circles in each group. So I'm going to put 4 in each of my groups. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to do that until I get to my last group because tape diagrams are a lot like arrays. There's equal groups put together, just like an array is. So now if I look at this, I could use this to help me skip count. I could say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. And then once I have this done, I could use this to help me solve some problems. So if I look here, I have my 10 groups, 4 in each group, so 10 groups of 4. And by skip counting, I didn't have to count each individual circle because that would take a really long time to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But because we're in 3rd grade and we're getting better at math, we know we can just skip count. And that's what we did up here. And when I do that, I can tell that 10 times 4 equals 40. So let's keep practicing. If I had 7 times 4, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My 7th group, when I skip counted it, the answer was 28. So skip counting is a really easy way to help you find the answers to some of your multiplication facts. Today, you're just going to be focusing on fours. You're going to be skip counting by 4 to start with, and then you're going to be matching those answers up with some multiplication facts. If you have any questions, please let us know.